let's pour some hot water into the pot. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna cut some white onion, put in the water. Yeah. Oops. I'll go on. Come here. Look on that, guys. See that? Yeah, man. 2 of them I use. Alright. We got some ginger. Put some ginger in the water. Just like that. A good vibes. Yeah. See that? Yeah, man. Ginger in the water. Pimento seed. Alright, Ricardo in the building. Cloves. Yeah. So that look nice. Yeah, man. Garlic. Yeah. Come on, guys, hit that button. Hit that button. No can't be selfish like that. Hit that button. Yeah, hit the button. Make it grow together. Then we have some garlic and put it into the water. See them there? Yeah. Garlic. Good vibes. Yes, people. Yeah. That looking good, guys. Looking really, really good. Yeah. 17. That's looking better, man. That's what's going on. Yeah, man. I'll show some love. Yeah. Show some love on it, alright? Make the thing grow. Make it grow together. Okay. Let's talk about the ingredients. So we got cloves, white onion, the little seed here is pimento seed, garlic, and fresh ginger. Alright? Yeah. And 1 large cup of hot water. Look at that. Powerful recipe for the high blood pressure. Look at that. So we're just going to look at a recipe tonight. So you guys can see exactly what's going on inside of the pot this evening with Chef Ricardo. See them the pimento seed and cloves, white onion, garlic and ginger. Alright. Yeah. I could turn off the cooker. So what you want to do, you want to drink this for at least 10 days. 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Okay? That's the book. Yeah man, a good vibes. Sit up boil now. Yeah. Beautiful recipe guys. Make it go and boil for a little bit. Alright. Keep boil for a little bit. After I boil we can throw it off. Beautiful recipe guys. Beautiful, beautiful liquor recipe. Yes, people, you see how it run? It run good. Alright, so you want to drink that 1 in the morning, 1 at night for at least 30 working days. Yeah. "30 working days I can drink this." "30 working days and you're good to go. Yes, that looking amazing. Oh, fantastic. 10 minutes worth of clipping for you guys tonight. Yeah. So people, if you're at home watching this video right now, I'm gonna tell you this. Trust me. This is one recipe you don't want to get rid of. Yeah, very powerful recipe. What's the recipe is ginger, lemon, garlic, cloves, pimento seed, white onion, hot water, and it's still not done yet. Good vibes. Let's take it out for the eat. What are the ingredients? So we got white onion, ginger, pimento seed, cloves, and garlic inside of it. All right. Yeah, man. Let's take it out for the eat, people. Because you don't know it already. My respect goes for you. Look at that. That looking excellent and an amazing. All right. Yeah, man. You're more than welcome. Drink this at home and be happy. All right. Remember, guys, you can get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to purpose. Chef Ricardo secret recipes to success. Alright, good vibes. So if you don't get yourself a one yet, you still can't get one. You're not too late. Good vibes. Yes, people, you don't know a thing already. Just a quick video tonight. You know, I stay too long because I have to drink my bedtime tea. Pour it off. Right. When you pour it off, let me see, legend. Thank you so much. Yeah, so yeah, man, pour it off. Pimento seed, cloves, garlic, ginger, and white onion, and hot water. That's the book. This is a recipe, yeah? It's not normal. Garlic. Some of that ingredients back into the water. Thank you so much. More than welcome. Yeah. What you can do? Put some honey inside of it. Yeah, man. Love Jesus. Thank you so much. What's going on? Nice to see you coming on the show this evening. But yeah, people ask what the ingredients. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man, the ingredients them live already and direct. So we got pimento seed, cloves, ginger, garlic, and white onion and water. Yeah, so it's and some honey. So it's a beautiful recipe for you to try at home. You know, something different. Yeah.